How to Make a Story, Part 3. The end bit. The characters are feeling fed up. We've described everything that's happened, and they need to teach the self-admiring rascal a lesson, but they're not sure how. So, how is the problem solved? We bring in a no-nonsense gargoyle king. He takes no messing. He silences Boo and tells him this is it. You're doing the job you're here to do, or you will be turned into a stone carving by some sort of magical spell. So what does Boo do? He argues, but then he goes back, sits on the north nave wall where he usually sits, and tries for a whole 5 minutes not to stare at his reflection. How does it end? He can't help himself. He stares at his own reflection, and he turns into a hideous, ugly stone carving and becomes hard to see forever. And that's how you can end a story.